Hey, what's going on, y'all? We back for another review. This time we're gonna do it a little different. This time we are doing a review from a brand called Beckett Simonon. Beckett Simonon is a made-to-order menswear brand where they don't actually start making the shoe until you order it. So I ordered these back in, I want to say August, something in the summertime. So look like they're finally here. So let me see what they look like. This will be my first time seeing them also. Fuck the box, just like Big Beer Business says. So right here, okay, got a basic black box. Feel a little heavy. I mean, it seems like a quality shoe already. So like came with a gift card, basically saying, thank you for my purchase. And it's also offering a 20% off on my next order, so that's pretty good. Then this has a personal thank you card from the leather cutter, so that's a pretty nice touch, showing that they care about their customers. And then it comes with this booklet also. So it's a cool booklet. Basically, again, thank you for your purchase. And just showing the steps to how these shoes were actually made. Now, I ordered the Dean Oxford, so this is the cap-toe Oxford. This would be sort of like the Allen Edmonds. I can't think off the top of my head. I'm gonna think of it before this video is over though. This would be like their quintessential shoe, cap-toe shoe. Now, this also comes with, insoles or shoe liners. That's always a nice touch. Now, this is just one shoe. Each shoe comes with these dust bags. Now, let's see what these bad boys look like. So, this is what they look like fresh out of the box. These are my size. I ordered size 9.5, true to size. And they feel really soft, really brand new. Usually I get some taps put on these just to preserve them. To my knowledge, these are Blake stitch construction, so they're not, Goodyear construction. You can see it right here, Blake stitching. They say Blake stitching makes them a bit easier to resole if you have to get them resoled. This just feels very smooth, very smooth. So I might do another video just with an update, just showing, how they actually wear and how they break in. But yeah, you see that cap-toe Oxford, so something that's a little bit more formal. Something we need to be suited and booted. They already have them laced straight across for you, so you don't have to relace them. So I'm gonna put this back in this dust bag. Here's the other one. Again, Blake stitch construction. Cap-toe design, cap-toe Oxford. Remember the enclosed eyelets right here lets you know that it's an Oxford, not a derby. mean, every man needs a pair of black dress shoes, in my opinion. Again, black stitching. You know, you see the Beckett Simonon, you know, handcrafted in small batches under ethical and fair working conditions. So just the little details that count. Now, these do not come with shoe trees. They do not come with wooden shoe trees at all, so that's something you have to get for yourself. But yeah, these took about, I'm gonna say about 8 to 12 weeks. So I mean, if you're needing some dress shoes right away, I would not go with these at all. This is something if you're planning for way out. So for example, in the summertime or the springtime will be the time to order boots. If you need like some Chelsea boots or something that you're going to wear in the colder months, then the time to order them will be in the summertime or the spring, so you can have them ahead of time. So this is Beckett Simonon, you know, fully lined, Blake construction, you know, calf leather, you know, actually gives the details on the inside of the box. So this is the Dean Oxford by Beckett Simonon. Let me know if you would mind waiting that long for a pair of Oxfords, or would you just say, hey, no, I'll just take my chances somewhere else. You know, that's too much long of a wait. Let me know in the comments. So, really quickly, this is how they look on foot. You know, they feel pretty good. You just have to get them, you know, broken in, but they do fit true to size. You know, pretty good shoe from what I see for the price.